Hello everyone, this is Miss Carrier, and I just made you this video to kind of give you a quick introduction and overview to Office 365. Now, you can get to your Office 365 account in multiple ways, but the easiest way for you here at school is to go to your Fulton County Launchpad or your ClassLink Launchpad, whatever you want to call it, and sign in here with your lunch number or your library number with that 2000 number. You're going to put that in and put in your password. And once you sign in, it will bring you into your Launchpad, where you have a variety of different apps and programs to assist you with your learning here at school. Now, right in the center here, you'll see the Office 365 folder. This year, it looks a little bit different. And when you click on it, you're going to have access to Microsoft Teams, the entire Office 365 portal, OneDrive, OneNote, and Outlook. These are each different, but they're all accessible from inside this orange icon, Office 365. So that's what we want to click on. Sometimes if you're in Google Chrome, this may go ahead and automatically log you into your account, which will bring you to the Office 365 dashboard, but often it will require you to log in separately, taking you to a screen that looks much like this. And when you get here, you're looking for this sign in button on the right. You can also skip the first two steps if you like. And in the very top address bar of any web browser, again, I prefer Google Chrome, you can type office.com and go directly to this page without going through the Launchpad if you prefer to save a few moments. Now, when you click in Sign In, it's going to bring you to this sign in page right here. And the school system has gone ahead and created an email address out of your student identification information for you to use for your Microsoft Office 365 account. So what you need to do is here for sign in, it says email. You're going to type your lunch number. And then you need to add the @ symbol, which is above the 2 on your keyboard. So hold the Shift key and click the 2 to get @ because we're turning your lunch number into an email address. And so we have your lunch number @, then we need FC for Fulton County, STU for student, .org because the school district is an organization. When you get this and make sure that all of these are in the proper order, you're going to go to Next. Now it asks for the password. Now, just like in your Launchpad, your password is going to be your 8-digit birth date, 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the day, and 4 numbers for the year. If at this point it asks you for your phone number, you have typed something incorrectly, and you will need to click the back button to go back and try these 2 steps again. Otherwise, when you click sign in, it will take you to your Office 365 dashboard that looks something like this. Yours should say your name right here on the header, good morning or good afternoon, and your name. If it does not, you may have accidentally accessed somebody else's account because they did not sign out appropriately. You can also double check this by looking in the top right-hand corner. There is a small circle with some initials in it, and when you hover that or click on it, it should give you your information, your name and your lunch number. Now, this is the Office 365 dashboard. This is available to you online from any internet browser on any internet accessible device. So you have access to Outlook email, which here in the school district will only allow you to email your teachers, but not students, not each other. Your OneDrive is going to be your cloud storage for your Office 365 account. Your Word documents for typing documents or reports or essays. Excel is a spreadsheet generator. This is primarily for numbers, and I'll be glad to show you how you can use this to easily generate graphs and data tables for some information, primarily in math or doing research for science. You're going to be making a PowerPoint presentation for your PBL project coming up, and maybe some presentations for science or social studies of content topics you've learned, and you will do that here. OneNote is an online digital notebook for you to keep notes or to create documents or links of things that you prefer. Teams is going to be kind of like an online classroom where your teacher can send you assignments and share resources with you. Not all teachers are using that at this level. Last but not least is Sway. And Sway is another presentation tool offered by Office 365. It's more fluid than PowerPoint, and I find it a whole lot more fun, but I'll be happy to show you that at another time. So, any of the documents you create in Word or spreadsheets in Excel or PowerPoint presentations can be found within this OneDrive file. So whenever you click on it, it's going to open up and it's going to house all of your documents, presentations, and files all in one place. It's a good thing to go ahead and to get this organized right up front by creating maybe some folders or subfolders for subjects or interests. And you can do this in the top left corner where it says New. And when you click on this, you can say New Folder. And you might say for Math and click Create. Now I have a math folder. You might create one folder for your PBL project. You can create another for science or social studies. And you can make folders for other topics as well. Now, when you're ready to put things into these folders, whether you want to put it in your general folder here or create something or add something to your PBL file, you can go ahead and click on the name of the file folder. And that will open the actual folder. You can see that here in our directory, we're in the Files menu in the PBL folder. And if we want to create our PowerPoint here, we would say New PowerPoint Presentation, and then the PowerPoint presentation would open from here. If we wanted to upload some external files to this folder, we'd say Upload and then Files. Our file manager from our computer would open up. This would allow us to add anything from our device right here and click on it and add. And this would upload it right here into this folder. So we would know the next time how to find that. To go back to the primary menu, you just click Files, and there you are. If you have any other questions, please let me know.